I'm Nermine, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. In this episode, we're gonna make one of the popular side dishes in Egyptian cuisine, burgol. I'm gonna heat a pan, add my canola oil. Now that my oil is hot, I'm gonna add the onions. I'm gonna sweat the onions in the hot oil for 1 or 2 minutes maximum. We don't want to caramelize the onions, just to sweat it until it becomes translucent, and then we add the garlic. It's time to add my garlic. Here we have the finely chopped garlic. The garlic is becoming fragrant too. It's my sign to add now the burgol. Now that my burgol is well coated and I see my pan and I hear my pan sizzling, I am gonna add my vegetables. Tomatoes are optional. I like tomatoes because first I like the color and I like this acidic hint. So I will add some cherry tomatoes because they have a more accentuated flavor. I'll add paprika. I love sweet paprika. It gives a beautiful color. A little bit of pepper, not too much. Himalayan salt, it's my favorite type of salt. And to give that dish something extra, I will add some tomato paste for depth of flavor. I would say 1 tablespoon is enough. And now that we cooked this healthy bowl of burgol, speckled with fresh vegetables, barely cooked, I want you to try that dish. Serve it to your family members or try it yourself. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and I will be back with more interesting recipes from my Egyptian kitchen.